Louisiana families face growing childcare costs, a pressing issue. A recent survey conducted by the Louisiana Policy Institute for Children highlights the significant financial strain childcare places on families across the state. The findings reveal that for many working parents, childcare is not just an expense, it is a major obstacle affecting employment and financial stability. The high cost of childcare. On average, parents in Louisiana spend $7,600 per year on childcare for 2 children. However, families who do not qualify for subsidies may have to pay as much as $14,000. Annually, a staggering amount considering Louisiana's median household income of $58,229. For many, this expense is unsustainable, forcing difficult choices between work, childcare, and financial security, a challenge for families at all income levels. The survey found that concerns about childcare affordability are widespread. 58% of parents earning between $50,000 and $100,000 struggle with childcare costs. 54% of those making $100,000 to $150,000 feel financial pressure. Even 35% of families earning over $150,000 find childcare expenses burdensome. This data makes it clear that childcare is no longer just a challenge for low-income households. It has become a major financial strain for families across all income brackets. Even those considered financially stable by general standards are feeling the weight of these costs. This raises an important question. If childcare is this unaffordable for middle-class and upper-middle-class families, what options do lower-income families have? The need for immediate solutions. The Louisiana Policy Institute for Children has proposed several recommendations to alleviate this issue, including increased state funding for early childhood education, employer-supported childcare benefits to help working parents, better wages and incentives to attract more educators to the childcare industry. While these solutions could ease some of the financial burden, the bigger issue remains. Childcare is underfunded, and the workforce behind it is undervalued. Without proper investment, the sector will continue to struggle with staffing shortages and inconsistent quality, leaving families without reliable options. A broader economic concern. Beyond individual families, the lack of affordable childcare has serious economic consequences. When parents, particularly mothers, cannot afford childcare, many are forced to reduce work hours or leave their jobs altogether. This affects workforce participation, reduces productivity, and ultimately slows economic growth. Personal perspective. The need for a systemic shift. From my perspective, childcare should not be treated as a luxury that only wealthier families can afford. It is a fundamental need for working parents and a crucial part of a functioning economy. The fact that so many families across various income levels are struggling with these costs suggests that the entire system needs reform. Affordable childcare should be seen as an investment in the future, not an individual burden for families to bear alone. The state must recognize that providing accessible childcare benefits everyone. Parents can remain in the workforce. Businesses retain employees, and children receive early education that prepares them for success. Without intervention, Louisiana risks losing valuable workforce talent and deepening financial struggles for countless families. It's time for Louisiana to take real action, not just small policy tweaks, but meaningful investments that ensure childcare is accessible, affordable, and sustainable. If other states and countries can prioritize this, why can't we?